Hey everyone, and welcome back to Stuff in Excel. I'm Richard, and today I want to take a look at the Alt Equals tool that's built into Excel. Let's say we've got some data over here in this table. It's really simple data, nothing there fancy about it. It doesn't really matter what it is, but we got some numbers, and we want to foot these columns. The way we might typically do that is to do a summation form where you do equals sum, and we simply sum that up. Now, an easier way to do this, however, is to use the Alt Equals tool. If I am down here in this bottom cell and I want to foot this column, I can hit Alt Equals, and it's automatically going to put that summation formula in there. And it automatically knew to go up and look to see the range of numbers that was above the cell that I was looking at. And so I could do this again for the next column, and I could do it for the next column as well. Now, another way you can do this is you can do a whole range of columns. So if I wanted to get rid of those and I wanted to highlight this entire range and just do Alt Equals, it'll automatically total all those for me. You don't see the formulas are there, but it just puts the total in there. Now, I can do the same thing up here for rows as well. I can cross-foot these items. Cross-footing is simply gliding across the page. Footing is adding down the page. Real important accounting skill. And all we have to do is say Alt Equals, and it'll give us that sum. Alternatively, I can do a range where I simply do Alt Equals for that range, and it's going to give me those. And so that's a real easy, quick, efficient tool. Now let me show you another way we can use this that actually makes this even more powerful. So let's go to this sheet over here. Same data here. I can do all those Alt Equals, but what if I just wanted to do it once? I can actually highlight the numbers, then highlight the row below and the column to the right, and I hit Alt Equals, and it's going to give me all of those subtotals really quickly just using the Alt Equals tool. Not only does it give me the cross-footed sum of each row, but it gives me the footed sum of each column, and it's going to give me the total down here in this lower right column. I can do the same thing with this other set of data over here to the right. I can simply highlight the data, go one row down, one column to the right, hit Alt Equals, and it's going to give me those totals. Now, what if what I also want is I want the totals for the company. I want the total for both regions, okay? That's really easy. I simply highlight all of my data. I then go one column to the right, and I'm going to hit Alt Equals. And look what it does for me. Not only does it give me the cross-footed totals for each of the subtotals, 22 and 63 is 85, 23 and 66 is 89, 25 and 72 is 97, but 120 and 345 is 465. So it also gives me the subtotal for the whole total of the company. So it's a really useful tool that will improve your efficiency and make you able to put these summation formulas in much more quickly than you could do before. Hopefully this was helpful. See you real soon on Stuff in Excel.